Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, with a medical discussion video. This one is about YouTube's Queen of Pop, Dr. Sandra Lee, aka Dr. Pimple Popper. And for the record, we are big fans. However, that doesn't mean she is without controversy, as some of her recent videos have raised the dander of some rather critical viewers. As you watch this video, click like to show your support for Dr. Lee and leave her a positive comment below. Dr. Lee made herself famous popping pimples on Instagram and YouTube. She eventually got a show on TLC and now has a huge national presence. Detractors say that since starting her TV show, she's no longer focusing on the cool blackhead pops that made her famous. Her show focuses on extreme tumors and lipomas, and she's moved from minor procedures to major surgery, because that's what gets ratings on TV. To be clear, we think she is an incredible talent, so leave her your support with a comment below. Again, critics say that those surgical procedures are best done in a hospital in case something goes wrong, and as a dermatologist, she may not have the qualifications to do life-altering reconstructive surgery. So comment below, are people being too critical of YouTube's most popular popper? Or is there some merit to TLC's casting team bringing cases that should be performed in a hospital where emergency services are available if there are complications? Who knows, maybe they have an entire emergency team standing behind a curtain just in case something goes wrong. Well, that being said, check out this set of pimple popper tools, which are pretty similar to the ones Dr. Lee uses. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. And here's a little more about them. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.